Welcome to Go Dive number 4. In this episode, I'll be adding volume controls to each clip. This will be a shorter episode, but I hope you enjoy.
So I started by adding the volume field to the clip model, setting its default value to 1, and adding the JSON key annotation so that my serializer knows that any null value is now 1. This will ensure I can reuse older projects and have a smooth migration. Now I use this volume field to set the volume filter on the audio component of each clip in the FFmpeg arguments, and I updated the exporter and previewer files so that they would use the newly created audio filter. Finally, I went to the edit clip, which is this widget right here, and turned it into an expansion tile to improve the UX since it'll also have the volume control. Next, I created a slider that sets the volume of the respective clip. However, I didn't want the slider to be linear. I wanted to be able to fine-tune low values more than I wanted higher values. So I came up with this formula. It seems a bit complicated at first, but let me break it down for you. The variable in this formula is the slider value, which is a value between 0 and 1 representing the state of the slider. This first numerator creates an exponential function, where increasing the scale also increases the curvature. Since the slider value is a value between 0 and 1, this function will have values ranging from 1 to scale. To make the maximum value be max volume, we then divide by scale over max volume. The range will then be from max volume over scale to max volume. The remaining part of the formula was stretched at so that the range starts at 0. Now with this implemented, we can tune the scale value to adjust the curvature of the slider, and we can set the maximum value to whatever value we want. So this is the result.
So this episode was a bit more focused on math and the overall changes I had to make to add the volume controls. It was a bit shorter, but I hope you found it interesting, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Bye!